Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about Hotbit and of course ice rock mining. And therefore, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. If you like the video, kindly like the video. And I'm gonna show you that Hotbit is just artificially pumping Rock 2's volume, and after that, maybe it's Rock 2 pay them or whatsoever. But it is just a finding that I found, and I realized after like being on the platform. So as you can see here, the right now the buy price is over here, so I'm gonna set a sell order. I'm just gonna put it like below the average, so I'm gonna put it at 0, and I'm just gonna sell one rock too. And of course this order over here, people is gonna buy it definitely because it is the lowest right now. And I'm gonna do a proof to you that why my order will not get sold. As you can see here, as I am recording this video, as you can see, the recent buy order, it is 142060, which is not even on the order book. Therefore, yeah, something is fishy about the exchange. So let's do a sell order. Straight away selling this at this price over here. As you can see, the price of it went down, and after that it eventually got another order was being executed, and the last price of rock 2 is this amount, 142060, which is not on the order book again. So if you want to do focus here on this tab over here, this tab over here there is no order over here, so I'm going to do a sell order again. So as you can see, the last buy price is over here, and after that the price of this is gonna change. Yep, as you can see, there's a pump over here, and the last order it is not showing up right here, but definitely there's something fishy going on. As you can see, the last buy order, it is 142510, so which is not my trading over here, is not being shown. So as you can see, 142060, nothing has changed, but after I refresh the page, the last price has changed, and after that, as you can see, my 24-hour, it is not showing again. My 24 hours is not showing, so there is something really fishy going on with this exchange and the pair rock 2 and rock 2 and this Ethereum pair on their exchange. It is fishy, I would say, as you can see over here. And I found a way that, right, I don't think anyone is trading right now, but there's definitely a way doing, like, you will see no trades being done. So we can do this at let's say 150. So let's do a one sell over here, and after that let's sell it over here again, one sell. So as you can see, the price went down, and it will be falling under this range over here. This 1415 is gonna be under that range being traded. And after that, as you can see, the price last buy is this, and as you can see, the price of it is not even showing on the order book, and yeah, basically it's not showing over here on the sell tab when I sold my one rock over here. So as you can see, I did a one rock, a limit order, one rock, filled 100%. At this price, and this price, it is not showing on the order book. Yep, it's showing over here. And after that, the price of as you can see over here, there is much more buy. So as you can see, the buy over here is 14117. The recent one is 14137. And after that, when I buy it, is over here. And as you can see, yeah, definitely something is fishy over here, 141. And after that, once I hit sell, yeah, the price of it is staying under 141. And as you can see, there's a sell. Somebody sold their rock 2 over here, but this is the recent order, and you will not see this order placing over here like 31, but it managed to get sold behind the books. Therefore, it is kind of fishy. So let's do it. Let's close the margin down to 100. So as you can see, I already closed the margin down to 100, and after that, I'm gonna do one sell order over here again. So as you can see, limit 100% filled, and the chart shows over here, and after that you can see it is showing 141033. So it is staying in the range when I sold my one rock 2. Therefore, Hotbit, it is not a reliable exchange for you to trade on or anything. I would say it is totally a fraud doing this inside trading bot that they have set up to trade with themselves. As you can see, I already proven it to you that once I set a buy order over here, 14110, which is one rock 2 token only, and after that did a buy, did a sell over here at 141 range. The price of the margin, this is my manual order between this bidding order right now. So as you can see, artificial pump is happening on Hotbit. As you can see over here, 141, the range is less than 100, and after that we can close the range down to 50 if you want. So let's close it down to 50 and we will see the difference. So let's do it at 50. So as you can see right now, the order will go under 50 if I did a sell order. So let's do it again. So one sell, one rock 2 limit. So it's been sold. So as you can see over here, you can see it's 141017. So it is 14107. So yeah, it's under 17. So as you can see, I already closed the range down to 50 and it is going at 17. Let's refresh the page again and yeah, to analyze it. So as you can see, one sell over here and suddenly there's a pump. They are trying to make the price of rock 2 between the margin. So right now, if I close all my order, this is the range. So 45,271. It is going to be the range of 4,100 to this range. So the price is going up and down, making the chart, making it showing that there's people buying rock 2 and selling rock 2 using this volume over here to, yeah, I do not know, make investors feel like this is a good project that they can buy. So 75 Ethereum and on token store, which is much more volume. And honestly, I do not know. Hotbit is a Chinese exchange, and after that, yeah, as you can see over here, there's a sell order over here, which you are not which is not appearing on the book over here, but managed to get onto the trade history. Therefore, there's a artificial, yeah, basically they are just using their own bots to buy and sell the their own this rock 2 token. So you can do it at maybe 10 and do a 1 sell. As you can see, the range has closed down to 10, so I'm going to do a sell right now. One sell rock 2, order is successful. So what you can see over here, sell, and after that I already set a buy price over here. I'm going to refresh. So you can see over here, I did a sell, and yeah, basically the volume isn't showing. So the volume stuck at 141. So here refresh again. So this exchange over here is just trying to show people that there's volume, and after that on token store people is just going to like do it higher or whatsoever. But honestly speaking, this exchange Hotbit, it is a scam, a total fraud, to scam investors to, yeah, basically get into it. So as you can see over here, we have another volume. So this is my order, and after that this order came out of nowhere selling, and as you can see another order came out of nowhere. It is not even listed over here. So as you can see, order ones over here, and there is no order in between. 10 to 0, there's no order of it, and managed somehow somewhat somebody got to sell 20 token of this buy book, this sell buy book over here. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to freeze the exchange. So I can just put one sell over here, and after that I can do this sell one, and after that it is successful, and you will see that the order book is not going to move at all because the margin is too close to each other, and the bots refuse to buy input manual input that I have done, meaning this order over here, they refuse to buy all these ones, this one rock, one rock, one rock, and after that causing this way I just put it over there, so the volume will not increase. But one day, I do not know, maybe later in the day or in an hour, somebody is going to go online and purchase all these ones up, and yeah, you will see the volume go up and down again. Therefore, this is a finding that I found, and I hope it is useful for you. So as you can see, 24 hours, 445, 455 is not showing over here on the trade price. Yep, so disappointed. And after that, I would not really trust my rock 2 in this exchange. So yeah, so basically this 100 over here, I'm just gonna do like a giveaway to this person that is asking for the price. So I'm gonna do 100 and I'm gonna sell it all off. It's not 100 already because I did some testing, and as you can see, the price is not even moving right now. So this is my last buy order. And after that, yeah, I'm just gonna leave the video here for a while, like let's say for 2 minutes, as you will see that this is totally true. And yeah, this is a good finding, I would say. So right now it has already passed 2 minutes. There is no order being done and placed on the exchange. So it's already 2 minutes, and after that, let's do a magic. Cancel off this, cancel off this, and cancel off this. So you will see the range is going to be 100 to 0. So this is 1,000 and this is 100. So let's do a sell order again. And after that, miraculously, you will see there is volume going on after a while, I assume, or the bot just crashed or whatsoever. So as you can see, yep. So this is my order. Nope, this is not my order. Where is my order? My order is not showing up. Yep, it is not showing up. So as you can see, the price, it went to, I did a range of 100 to 0, and the middle range of it came out 50. Yep, so it's 57. So the recent order 57, and suddenly there's volume again. Oh my god. I think somebody's trading in the third dimension or whatsoever. So yeah, disappointed with the exchange Hotbit. And yeah, just let's just pause this shit over here. I'm just gonna, yeah, basically stop again. So I'm gonna do a one sell, and after that, all of it 100% is not showing because yeah, maybe they know that I'm recording. Then okay, so it's done here. So I'm gonna do cancel, cancel, and cancel. Over here, I'm gonna do 100% sell off 90 rocks. So yeah, sell successful, and it shows it's completed. So let's do a refresh over here, and after that, the price of rock is not gonna move. I can guarantee that. So right now you see the last order over here, and do a refresh. As you can see, my 90 rocks has been sold, and there will be no movement for the next, I don't know, however minutes, whichever minute. If you seen this, you will understand. And that's all for this video, and I hope you really like the video. If you think this is helpful and a great finding against ice rock mining, I will say that ice rock mining paid them to do something like this. If not, Hotbit is just um a untrustable exchange for, yeah, whoever is using it. I do not really trust Hotbit now from this finding, and as you can see, there's many coins being listed over here, and the top one I would say is Beam and Grin that I'm interested in, but I would not be using the exchange to buy and sell Beam and Grin, because honestly, after finding Rock 2 on this exchange, so before I close the video off, I'm gonna show you guys again. I refresh and my order is gone from here. So open order one rock, and after that 24 hours chart 58, and there is no 58, there's only 57, so do a refresh again. Yep, nothing's gonna come up. So yeah, as you can see, the price of rock 2 has already stuck here. And maybe do a screenshot. A screenshot of this, and I'm done. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. Dislike if you do not like it. Leave a thumbs up if you feel that this finding is great, and it can help my YouTube algorithm to show up on other people's uh, YouTube channel. That's all for this video. Peace.